triathlon and to biking. However, provided kids have got their flu after the event.
Safety of each child is our prime importance, and as a result of that we decided not to have the cycle and the swim event and just have a run.
Yeah, a fun run, so there's nothing better than that, it's great.
Who wants to win some stuff?
Kids who have trained for this event but they haven't done a full triathlon, I guarantee there'll be other triathlons either at school or in their community which they can do, or they can just get their mates together and do their own triathlon on a weekend sometimes. Just make sure your mum and dad are there to help.
It's nice because it is a boy in the car and you don't have to run in the morning.
Well done.